free today. Because me and the customer. Joy, we are painting. Here we are. Fineone. Yeah, yes. Before, has she finished it? What are you doing here today? Hey? You wanted to come to the group? Oh, so nice of you. Okay, no, thank you.
Just come and meet up with family.
Thank you, Kano. Thank you. Kano saying good to see you.
Oh, Kano. I think Vicky come to say hello to you. How are you?
Just a reminder, those white cups are not drink. Don't drink the white cups, please. Just in case.
Just in case. So today here at the Fineone Group, we are painting. So it seems like that I'm making a bit of a mess on mine. Joy, you're doing okay.
And I'm making
okay. How are you doing, Auntie? Hey? Akoy. Mitaki na kay? What are you doing? You painting a pillowcase or cushion?
It's a cushion.
Oh.
I don't know what I'm saying. It looks like
I want to see everyone painting. My one is getting there slowly. Just here. Yeah. Oh, look at that one. Hey, you trying to be the best one, are you? I am. Are you trying to make yours the best? Looks nice already. Oh, you just splash some colors on yours.
alright.
Oh, cause yours is very gentle.
I like it.
Oh, you know what? You're just doing your favorite color, aren't you? You're wearing those colors you're painting.
Purple's my
Yeah. Oh, I see that you're very, yes, I can see your, like your flower that you're wearing, it's pretty.
Thank you.
Right? Nongi, oh, hello, darling. How are you, sweetheart?
We don't take it.
And what are you two wear? Colors that you like? Oh, that's pretty. Oh, look at you guys. Kasi. Nice. That's a nice one. Oh, I like blue. Wow. What that? You like? Oh. Is that your favorite color, green?
No.
Wow, what's your favorite color? Why aren't you using it? Eh?
Purple.
Oh, you're another purple.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So you would have loved the purple theme on Bella's birthday. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you guys got nice ones. Hey. Oh, look at Auntie. She's doing it very slowly, carefully.
Yeah, my fingers are shaking.
Yeah. Oh. Hi, Auntie. You're just watching. You're supervising. Yeah? My turn, Patrick, to go around. Hey, Kaz. How's it going? Yeah? My turn to just go around and capture you guys. Kaz. How are you today? Good. Good? You still here? Hey, still here with us?
Yep.
Good. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's not.
nice color.
It's not breathing out.
Okay, that's a nice color.
Yeah.
I've got to try and make mine look pretty like this one. I just got it all blank in one color. Here we are, all painting today. Tia's not painting. Uncle's not painting. Uncle. Hey, Lauren, how are you, darling? I was going to come and say hi.
Trying to come and make Lily.
Hello,
Trying to come
sweetheart.
and make
Oh, Uncle, you're doing a really nice color. Uncle's only working with one color there, by the way.
Yeah, he's trying to make me make brown for him.
Oh, lovely, ladies. I saw that place where you guys went for
Painting.
yes, I
Yeah.
want to go there.
Well, you can go there.
Whereabouts was it? I mean, I love painting.
It's in
Newmarket. In Newmarket, but there's loads around everywhere.
Oh, do you think that was a good place to go to, that one?
She comes back.
That's the only one, I think.
Oh, yeah, I want to go there for my birthday. Okay, guys. So this is us today. Fineone Group. Hey, if you don't belong in a group, come down and join our group down here. Fineone is at the Baptist Church across to the PIC Church in Otara on Ferguson Road. And this is us here. This is what we do.